Hi guys, today I've got my first 3D printer, my first one. It's an Ender 3 Pro. I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you what it comes with. I have to be really careful with this knife. I don't want to damage it already. So here it is, the instructions on what you get and how to, well, it's just that says what comes with your box. I could use some of that. Service card, and thank you for your support. Instructions, assembly instructions. So it's the magnetic board. Don't know what we have there. The LCD display screen. One of the rails, power supply, got to switch it on to 230, which is the UK power supply. And I'm guessing I'm just going to have to lift this up somehow. Okay, here's one of the motors with the excluder or the I'm going to put this down here. That's another motor. And we have spare ink and the switches. Another bit of a rail. The scrub. And more bits and pieces, screws and all the other bits and things. We have another rail. We have the cartridge holder, or the reel holder, another bit of motor bit, the mains cable. I think that's about it. So I'm going to build it and then hopefully do a print, and I'm going to show you what a print is like. I've never ever done this before, so I have to download all the programs for it. Cura and all the other stuff. So I should be having fun with this one very soon. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.